handsome rosemary got bugs on it. So I am going to eradicate them. First step was I took out all of the mulch and then took the rosemary in the shower and I completely sprayed the entire plant off. And by removing the mulch, I ensure I don't have another infestation. And I'm going to use a bio-insecticide, which consists of 20 compounds. One of them actually stimulates root growth. I prefer Arber. There's other bio-insecticides, but not as complex as this one because it actually helps inhibit reproduction and eating on the plants as well. Much better than neem oil. My binder is going to be some Castile soap. The main culprit that had the infestation of the thripes that got on everybody else was this marjoram. As you can see, the thripe damage. So what I'm going to do now is combine the Arber bioinsecticide concentrate, Castile soap as the binder, into my sprayer, and then I'm going to water the plant with the Arber bioprotectant, which helps boost the immunity, so it's going to help with the damage from the bugs. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of extra food to help it out as well. By the directions of Arber, 2 tablespoons in a gallon of water. I use tap water and let it air out to remove chlorine for more than 24 hours. I did the same for the plant protectant. The reason you want the plant protectant because bugs carry disease and you could have issues, and that's why you want to boost the immunity of your plant after eradicating the bugs. It takes about 2 tablespoons per gallon. I don't have a gallon here, it's a small container, so I only put this much of the bioinsecticide. Now I'm going to add in the Castile soap. And then I will pour water into there and then shake it up and then spray the plant. So I am all ready to use my sprayer. I have already shook up this and it's ready to rock. You're gonna want to saturate till it drips. You can see some of the damage close up of the thripes. I caught this just in time. Make it drip. I have it in my bathtub here, so if it drips, no big deal. Every orifice, because thripes like to live in under the leaves. That's why you go at all angles.
Prior to using the plant food and the plant protectant, check the moisture level of the soil using a meter and water accordingly. First, start off with the plant food. The plant food is going to help prevent shock and the plant to bounce back from all of the things in order that have occurred to eradicate the insects plus the damage from the insects. The protectant is going to go into the main reservoir of the self-watering pot, which is that orange tube there. That's going to help the immunity of the plant and bounce back and prevent disease that could be possible from all of the infestation of the bugs. So it is highly important to make sure that the plant has this.